If you want to master email marketing with Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step, from signing in and importing your audience to creating a campaign, designing your email, customizing the style, and sending it out. By the end, you'll know how to build and launch a professional email campaign with confidence. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the website loads, sign into your account using your email address and password. After you're inside, the first important step is to make sure your audience is ready. On the left-hand side, click Audience, then click Add Contacts and choose Import Your Audience. This is where you can bring in your existing contacts so you can start marketing to the right people. Now that your audience is set up, let's create a new email campaign. From the left-hand menu, click Campaigns. In the top right corner, click Create. Mailchimp will show you several campaign types, so select Email and then choose Regular Email. This is the standard option for sending a newsletter, announcement, promotion, or update to your subscribers. Next, enter an internal name for your campaign. This name is for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to remember. Once that is done, click Begin. After that, Mailchimp will ask you to choose an email layout. You'll see options like Saved Template, Designed Layout, Basic Layout, Start from Scratch, Custom HTML, and Recent Template. For this tutorial, we're using Basic Layout because it gives you a simple starting point and makes it easy to build your email from the ground up. Browse through the available layouts and click Apply on the one you want to use. Once the editor opens, this is where the real design work begins. On the left side, you'll see content blocks that you can drag and drop into your email. These include text blocks, image blocks, buttons, columns, dividers, and pre-built sections. Use these elements to build the structure of your campaign. For example, you might start with a headline, then add an image, then a paragraph of text, and finish with a button that directs readers to your website, product, or offer. The goal is to create a layout that looks clean, clear, and easy to read. Next, it's time to customize the style of your email. This is where you make the design match your brand. Adjust the colors, fonts, spacing, and overall look so your email feels consistent with your business or channel. A well-styled email not only looks more professional, but it also helps your message stand out and keeps readers engaged. Try to keep the design simple, readable, and focused on one main action. Now let's edit the content blocks themselves. Click on any block in the email preview to open the editing options. From here, you can update the text, images, links, buttons, spacing, and colors. If something needs to move, you can rearrange it. If you want to copy a section, you can duplicate it. And if a block isn't needed anymore, you can delete it. This flexibility makes it easy to fine-tune your design until everything looks exactly how you want it. As you build your email, remember to keep your message clear and focused. Use short paragraphs, strong calls to action, and visuals that support the message instead of distracting from it. If you're sending a promotion, make the offer obvious. If you're sharing an update, make sure the most important information is placed near the top. The easier your email is to skim, the better your results will usually be. When your design is finished, click Save and Exit. Mailchimp will take you back to the campaign overview page, where you can review everything before sending. This is a great moment to double-check your content, confirm your layout, and make sure your audience and campaign details are correct. Finally, when you're ready to launch, click Send in the top right corner. That's it. Your email campaign is ready to go out to your audience. You've just learned how to sign into Mailchimp, import contacts, create a campaign, choose a layout, design your email, customize the style, edit your blocks, save your design, and send the campaign. If this video helped you master email marketing with Mailchimp, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.